G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Glorious Monday morning here. We're up at Hinze Dam, crack of dawn up here. Scope of works today, we're actually doing cleaning all the picnic and barbecue areas, so the shelters above, all the seats, the pillars, low level concrete. We're heading off to do some areas at some boat ramps related to this. But yeah, we'll put some photos and pics up, and yeah, glorious to be out and push some water.